Hey, before I break down this build, I want to produce a video of our WeDo activity yesterday. We each learned a lot, and I wanted you to realize that with a simple machine through software, you can produce many cool products. Remember, everything except the smart hub, which is the transmitter, the motor, and the axle and propeller are just decoration. Now that decoration's wonderful, but not necessary for the function. However, it is what will help sell a product. In this first software program, we're demoing two parallel programming strings, each one of them being kicked off by the same event, which is the key press of a letter A. This bottom programming string commands a smart hub to display a different color on the smart hub each time this loop is executed. And it's looping for, I can't quite see it there, but I think it's 6 times. This up here, I'm not even going to explain because you kids have this down. So I'm going to play it for a second. There it's looping. And see right here, you can see the color changing as it loops. So it did run parallel. Now, this next programming string is a washing machine. It is a back and forth washing machine. So here it starts the motor power, tells the propeller to turn counterclockwise for amount of time, clockwise for amount of time, and to continue to do that. So let's see it run. There we go, back and forth, just a very simple washing machine motor. This next program is a variable rate motor like your ceiling fan that happens in your house. Variable rate simple machine. Let's look at it for a second. Looky there. For 2 seconds, run at power 3. For 2 seconds, run at power 6. For 2 seconds, run at power, I think that's 9. And then keep looping. Notice we never, outside our loop, we determine which way it's going to run. And we just loop here for the change in the rate of the motor, the speed of the motor. So let's watch that run. Slow, medium, fast, just like a ceiling fan at the top of your house. This next program is a sound activated. Just wanted you to see that WeDo will allow you to, hold on, let's get back up there. Will allow you to wait on a sound. So we have a loop here, and we have a wait block. It says wait on a sound. When we hear the sound, start the motor at power 2, run it clockwise for 3 seconds, then stop it, loop back, and wait on another sound. So let's watch that run. Now here I didn't quite speak loud enough.
Go. Go. Go.
And there it kicked off. It's looping around, stopped.
Go.
Heard the sound again. Now in truth you could say anything because it is just a sound motor.
Go.
And finally, we're going to see a program that pretty much demos many things that that the software can do. Let me see if I can back up here to it. So here, look, we're seeing that a message is being sent to this string. The message is saying, play a noise. Then it's saying, put up a screen. On that screen, put some words. On that screen, do some addition. Oh, no, put a number. Then here this loop is doing some addition. I can't quite see what's going on in this image because it's a little blurry, but we'll see it run in a little bit. Then it goes on and says turn on the motor to power, turn it clockwise, start playing some water sounds, and randomly, that's what this dice means, randomly play different colors. Keep this going on a loop. I'm going to go ahead and start this up. There was the sound that started it. It says pump is on. Our random colors are being generated. You can hear the water sound. The motor's turning. And it's looping right here. And what is this loop saying? What is this loop right here saying? Right there. It's going to loop until an event occurs, and this is a tilt sensor. So it's going to loop until it determines that the sensor has tilted, and it's got to tilt in a specific direction. But let's watch it. There's the sensor. It determined that the sensor tilted, and it stopped the program and displayed that the pump was off. So we're going to watch it run one more time. The idea here is that when the water rises to a certain level, it shuts off our elevated motor. And that's pretty much everything that I wanted to cover yesterday. Remember, the idea being that it's your software. You can take a very simple motor without changing anything on it, and with your software, you can produce many, many products. And what I've done here doesn't even begin to show you what WeDo can do. For parents, this entire product, you have to jump through a few loops to get it, but the entire product is about $300, and we have not even begun to cover the built-in lessons and programming and experiments that they serve to you in the software.